target is for the side as a score to set when you go out?
Well, as we have seen in previous games, if you don't lose early wickets, then you have a chance of putting a good total in the end. And the same thing I had in my mind. We were discussing in our dressing room constantly, let's at least get to 150 and not give too many wickets early on.
And then when you get out there, you get more than you bargained for. Tell me what your approach has been in trying to make sure that you're ready for this role you must play as the finisher.
If you're playing on a good strip, then of course the goal is to still take a couple of balls and then start playing your game. And but on these tracks, I guess if you would take at least 6 to 8 balls, assess the conditions and then start playing your game. So I was only thinking about one thing. I'm going to give myself a chance even though we have only 29 balls. If I play a couple of balls, then I have a chance of scoring runs which can give the team a good target in the end.
Okay, now tell me how you feel in terms of your form, how you're striking it, and what you feel about this and what it does for you going into that semi-final.
Obviously, win is a big thing. You take all the confidence going deep in the tournament. And for myself, yes, I'm in good form. I want to see myself more consistent, which can help the team. And overall, still fit enough, feel fit. And yes, it's going to be a big game. We just have to give our best shot.
Well played today.
Thanks.